I want you to know that out of 100% Nigerians, you can only convince just 1% in Nigerians with your platform. And that one that call himself, what is it called? Advocate. I don't know if he's advocate. We never confirm what he's called himself. We don't know yet until come out say I'm so person. You understand? Even an activist or advocate, I don't know yet. Me, when I know your English, I go let you know say in no wise. That one you will get platform, we get page where they post. You they post because of your own pocket. You know, post because of better Nigeria. Sure you understand? And listen very well. You know, say this is second time now. We have started again. We just start. You that you call yourself, you think that you will be making video to be convincing, what is it called, youth or Nigerians. You cannot, because Nigerians, they are educated. All of them, they are wise. They know what Mr. President Asiwaju Bola Ahmed is doing now.
Ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa LEGE Miami ó ti jáde wá sọ̀rọ̀ nípa ààrẹ orílẹ̀-èdè yìí Bọ́lá Ahmed Tinubu nípa ọ̀rọ̀ tí ó tún ṣẹlẹ̀. LEGE Miami ó sọ̀rọ̀ gidi gan nínú fọ́nrán yìí. Ẹ dẹ̀ mọ̀ wípé òun ni agbátẹrù kíní tí ń pè yìí àwọn tí ó ń sọ̀pọ́ọ̀tù Bọ́lá Ahmed Tinubu ní ẹlẹ́ẹ̀kejì ní ọdún 2027 òun ló ṣe agbátẹrù rẹ̀ nílùú Èkó.
They know that you people is because you that you call yourself advocate, they don't give you attention. That is why you are making your video back to back. No worry, we will soon start. Election never start. By the time the election will start, you will know that yes, boss day. You are just starting your own life on social media. You know, it never reach 1 year. Keep that one aside. You when we say get paid, call yourself blogger. I know say you get your own candidates. Tell me, if your candidates are my own candidates, who is the position to rule Nigeria that we delivered? Yes? Tell me. And you that you have been following all those people, if you guys have candidates, bring the candidates, come and show me that this is your own candidate. You guys don't have candidates to provide this only man that can tell us, can show us, and deliver and make this Nigeria more better than before. You are telling your half percent is not even up to 1%. You are telling them that this is that. All of them don't know. They don't know say all your posts na campaign. You that call yourself advocates, all your voice na campaign. Sure you understand? But all being real, ṣé mi jẹ́ ìtẹ́wà ṣe fídíò fún ìtẹ́wà lẹ́yìn bọ́ ẹ̀bẹ́ ìṣẹ́pẹ́ fún màá gbé yàrá ìṣẹ́pẹ́. I go swear for you now. Tẹ́bí wo na family na generation I go swear for you now. Ọmọ tó lè ní o tẹ́bá lọ dé wo tẹ́bá lọ ṣe bí olóṣì tẹ́bá wo ẹ má tẹ̀ wọ́ọ̀rì. It's not by the ṣe bí olóṣì. Nǹkan tó fi bára wa jà ní social media. You have your platform, I have my platform. Let's go there. Yes, Aṣíwájú, your mandate, we shall stand. But ẹ̀yin ẹ̀rí jẹ́ ẹ̀rẹ̀ máa tẹ̀ ẹ̀rẹ̀ máa lùsì nítorí.